In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a PIN access code for POS in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up or update a user so they can log into your Shopify point of sale using a secure PIN. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard using an account that has permission to manage staff and permissions. From the main admin screen, look down to the lower left corner and click on Settings. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store. Once you're in the settings area, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Users. This section shows you a list of all the people who currently have access to your Shopify store, along with their roles and permissions. Here you have two options. If you want to create a PIN for someone who already has access, simply find that user in the list and click on their name to open their profile. If you're setting up a completely new person, go to the top right corner of this page and click on Add User. Then follow the prompts to enter their basic details. After that, you'll land on the same type of access settings page. On the User's Access page, scroll down to the Roles section. This is where you define what that person is allowed to do in your store. Click on Assign to choose a role. From the list of available role options, select POS User Administrator. This role gives them the correct level of access for using the point of sale system and generating a PIN. After you select the POS User Administrator role, give Shopify a moment to load and apply that change. You'll notice that near the top of the page where the user's email is displayed, a new field appears showing a POS access PIN. This is the PIN code that the user will enter on the POS device to sign in. Before you leave this page, it's important to save your changes. At the top of the screen, near the search bar, click Save. This makes sure the new role and the generated PIN are stored and active. Once saved, you can share this PIN securely with the user so they can start using the Shopify POS. Remember to keep this code private and update roles or revoke access if the staff member changes positions or leaves your business.